এডুকেশনাল ক্রিয়েটিভিটি চ্যানেলে সকলকে স্বাগত। আজ একটি গুরুত্বপূর্ণ আপডেট দেব টেট ওএমআর কেস। আজ কিন্তু একটি টেট ওএমআর কেসের শুনানি ছিল কোর্ট নাম্বার 18-তে। সেই শুনানিতে কাফিনের শেষ ব্রেক মেরে দিল আজ ওএমআর মামলায় বলা যেতে পারে। মামলার ডিসমিস বিশাল কিছু তথ্য তুলে ধরল পশ্চাদের পক্ষ থেকে এবং বোর্ডের ভূমিকা সত্যিই অসাধারণ ছিল আজ। এমনকি জাস্টিস নিজেই একটি সুপ্রিম কোর্টের অর্ডারকে রিলাই আপনি করলেন সেখানে এবং বললেন, আপনি ফেন্সিটার, আপনি এতদিন পরে কেন এসছেন? বোর্ড যে 2016 সালে যে নোটিশ প্রকাশিত করেছিল যে স্টিপুলেটেড টাইমের মধ্যে আরটিআই করতে হবে, সেটার উপরে ডিপেন্ড করে জাস্টিস সন্তুষ্ট হলেন। সেটাও কিন্তু এই অর্ডার কপির মধ্যে দিলেন জাস্টিস। এছাড়াও সুপ্রিম কোর্টের একটি অর্ডার কপির রেফারেন্সও তুলে ধরলেন জাস্টিস এবং জাস্টিস বলেন এতদিন পরে 10 বছর কোথায় ছিলেন এবং ফেন্সিটার বলে উল্লেখ করেছেন। এরকম একটি ব্যাপার ঘটেছে কিন্তু কলকাতা হাইকোর্টে। আমরা লাইভ শুনানি কিন্তু দেখে নেব। আমি এই ভিডিওতে লাইভ শুনানি আপনাদেরকে শো করব। তাছাড়া আরেকটি গুরুত্বপূর্ণ যে ওএমআর মামলা, যেটি এখনও কলকাতা হাইকোর্টের 2022 সালের মামলা রায় চট্টোপাধ্যায়ের বেঞ্চে রয়েছে, জাস্টিস রায় চট্টোপাধ্যায়ের বেঞ্চে। এই অর্ডার কপি কিন্তু অনেকটাই কাজে লাগবে। এই অর্ডার কপিতে অনেক কিছু তথ্য তুলে ধরা হয়েছে, সুপ্রিম কোর্টের একটি অর্ডার থেকে শুরু করে পশ্চাদের ভূমিকাও। সত্যি এই অর্ডার কপিটি ওএমআর মামলার জন্য খুবই গুরুত্বপূর্ণ, এটাই বলা যেতে পারে। তো চলুন আমরা সেই লাইভ ভিডিওটি একটু দেখে নিই। চলুন। This channel does not promote any violent, harmful or illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for an educational purpose only.
In 2014, petitioner was unsuccessful candidate, and petitioner made an application under RTI seeking the original OMR sheet duly signed by the invigilator. Till date,
when applied for original OMR sheet,
অন্য লোকের ট্রিলাই করছে পিটিশনার ব্যাপার
2025
2014 when conducted date
2015.
and after a
Yes, under subject to kind correction, under RTI Act, the authorities under obligation to keep the record.
No, but why the petitioners did not come within the reasonable time?
But for 20 years, the authorities under obligation to keep the record,
But we will come after 7 years.
But there is no third party right has been created subject to kind correction, and there are several writ applications has been filed in 2024 also. The honorable coordinate bench has directed the CBI to investigate the matter, since in 2022 they have issued, the board has issued a notification that they have destroyed the original documents, only digitized OMR sheet were being provided. Considering that,
No, why you did not approach the district? You have approached the board within time, within 3 years.
But in 2021, the order came from this honorable court.
Therefore, you are fence-sitter.
No,
after seeing this development, now you are coming in 2025.
But in 2021, this honorable court has directed that after there were
in 2021, there in connection with a similar issue, or when the applicant writ petitioners in 2021 writ petition approached the board.
No, in respect of certain connected matters, it was detected there was certain the wrong answer key were there in respect of date 2014
and no, I am asking you that in 2021 matter, when the petitioners approached the board for supply of OMR sheet.
But in 2021, the prayer was that there was wrong answer key with regard to that the date 2024, and this honorable court directed to avoid.
Must have approached the board prior to that.
But in 20 prior to that in 2014.
Date 2014 held in 2015. And when you have applied under RTI Act, what is the application?
On 19th March 2025,
Page
64 onwards. But the marks obtained by the petitioner in 2024 as well as the original OMR sheet.
OMR sheet সেটা ওর OMR sheet ও জানছে কি করে তার ভুল আছে ঠিক আছে
page 65 19th March.
এগুলো সব নলেজ।
But the qualification of TET is valid for malad the lifetime malad. But if I found malad the qualified after avoiding that from,
You appear in the next state.
but that was, but if it is if ultimately found that I am a malad the successful candidate after avoiding the 6 mark and only malad I have malad the under statute malad I have the right to get the original OMR sheet malad. In connection with the selection process malad.
এটা তো সিলেকশন প্রসেস ছিলই নি, আমরা ডিসকাশন গুলো করেছিলাম।
Petitioners have approached this writ petition, affidavit service,
Right.
with a common prayer for supply of OMR sheet in connection with teacher eligibility test 2014. Stop. It is also submitted by the learned advocate representing the petitioners that teacher eligibility test 2014 within bracket for short TET 2014 close bracket was conducted by the West Bengal Board of Primary Education on education in 2015. Stop. Petitioner made application under Right to Information Act on 19th March 2025 and thereafter filed the present writ petition on 8 April 2025. By preferring application dated 19 March 2025 under the Right to Information Act, petitioner prayed for supply of OMR sheet. Next paragraph. This court cannot brush aside the facts that petitioners participated in TET 2014 in the year 2015 and thereafter for a period of precisely 10 years did not take steps for obtaining copies of OMR sheets in connection with TET 14. Stop. Belatedly, application under Right to Information Act was made on 19th March 2025 and subsequently on 8 April 2025. Present writ petition has been instituted for seeking supply of copies of OMR sheet in connection with TET 2014 which was held in 2015. Stop. In this regard, reliance is placed on the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court reported in 2007-9 SCC 278, New Delhi Municipal Council versus Pan Singh and others, wherein in paragraph 17 it has been succinctly held by the Apex Court that although there is no period of limitation provided for filing a writ petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, ordinarily writ petition should be filed within a reasonable time. Stop. In the present case, petitioner has petitioner in the present case, petitioners have preferred applications under Right to Information Act after 10 years and thereafter filed the present writ petition, considering the period of considering the time of holding TET 2014, that was in 2015. Next paragraph. Hence, no relief can be granted to the petitioners at this belated stage. Stop. Writ petition stands dismissed.
Only one thing, as my submission, the result was published on 14th September 2016, and board on the same day issued a notification in commensurate with the provisions of the RTI Act, giving 2 months time to everybody to get their original photocopy of the original OMR sheet by paying 500 rupees.
Result published on
14th September 2016.
14th September 2016. Yes, then.
And on the same day, a notice in the website was published by the board intimating all the candidates, if you want a photocopy of your original OMR sheet, apply within 2 months with a
আচ্ছা
photocopy.
ওইখানে আমার যে কনক্লুশনটা শুরু হলো তার আগে এটা অ্যাড করুন।
They didn't apply for
Mr. Shanna Lanet, senior advocate representing West Bengal Board of Primary Education, has submitted that result of TET 2014 was published on 14th September 2016, and on the same date, on the website of board, a notice was published inviting applications from the candidates who participated in TET 14 to apply for
obtaining OMR oblique digitalized data,
to apply for obtaining
photocopy of OMR or digitized data sheet
or digitized data sheet
upon payment of 500 rupees.
upon payment of requisite cost. Stop. The time which was provided to approach the board in terms of notice dated 14 September 2016 was 2 months.
30 days.
Was 30 days. Was 30 days. Stop. Petitioners did not avail
Working days.
said opportunity.